Key Security Systems presents a tech support video. How to change the battery in a PowerMax Keyfob. The MCT-324. You will need one Alkaline 23A battery per device and a small Phillips head screwdriver. First, we need to undo the small screw on the back of the device using the small Phillips screwdriver. Carefully prise open from the top. Be careful as to not lose the retaining screw. Pop the old battery out from the board. Then you can insert a new battery, positioning the positive and negative ends of the battery properly during replacement. Replace the two halves back together, ensuring they are aligned. Clip the device back together and replace and tighten the screw. Test the keyfob by pressing any button and a red LED light should illuminate. To learn more about the PowerMaster security system and other Visonic devices, please visit www.keysecurity-systemsltd.com.